Alright, storytellers, today we're diving deep into the world of creative competition. And even more specifically, although these principles apply across all creative fields, the world of screenplay competitions, specifically how to win one. Now, not to blow my own trumpet here too much, but I won't just be throwing around empty advice here, because yes, my screenplay GUNN took home the gold prize at the PAGE Screenwriting Awards last year, and now I'm ready to share a bit about my process and what I learned through that journey. So, if you're ready to level up your storytelling and are prepared to get competitive to do so, let's get into it. So why is competition so important in the creative field? Because simply put, competition pushes us to reach for excellence, to dig deeper, and to ultimately create work that resonates. Without competition, we would settle for mediocrity perhaps, and mediocrity is a dirty word in my book. So if you're serious about making your mark, grab your notebooks, let's get to work. So why should you care about screenplay competitions? Well, to some these days, especially in education and the arts perhaps, competitions become a dirty word in itself. Yeah, everyone gets a trophy, you're all winners, that sort of thing. And that's fine if you want to pat yourself on the back, but if you want to be truly excellent at what you do, competition must be one of your driving forces. It's what can separate the mediocre from the great. And to be even more frank, and I'm not telling you anything you don't know, but the creative industries are competitive. They're very competitive, in fact. And to shy away from competition is to lose before you've even begun. Now, when I was crafting GUNN, I didn't just want to write a script. I wanted to write something that would stand out amongst the thousands of scripts that get written every year. So screenplay competitions serve as a benchmark, don't they? A way to measure yourself against others in the industry. They drive you to improve, they drive you to innovate, just to be excellent in general. Now, a quick word about screenplay competitions. There are hundreds of them nowadays, and they all charge. But in reality, there are about 10 that are worth paying the entrance fee for. Ones that you will be in competition with the best writers. There are a lot of lists out there that can give you some advice on which competitions these are. But the PAGE Awards are definitely in that top 10, and I highly recommend that you apply to them. They've been great to me. So winning gold prize in the PAGE Screenwriting Awards wasn't just about getting a shiny set of laurels, although they do look quite nice on my pitch deck. But it was a validation of the hours I spent crafting and refining that screenplay. The whole process made me push my storytelling boundaries. I wanted to write something truly unique and special. I mean, I always do. It's ingrained in my competitive nature, but I took my structure very seriously, and then I took risks. I wrote drafts that were messy and imperfect in an attempt to get to something that was unique and undeniable. That's what competition encourages. See, the pressure to compete forces you to hone your skills. It's not just about writing something good. It's about writing something that can stand toe-to-toe with the very best out there. And I'm not interested in being second best. I want to be the best screenwriter ever put on earth. Now, does that mean that I ever will be? Probably not, but I will never stop striving for that. And it's in that pursuit of excellence that the magic happens. So, how do you actually write a screenplay worthy of winning a major screenwriting competition? Let's break it down. So here's the process I use for GUNN, and that you can perhaps apply to your own work. So start with a strong concept. Your screenplay needs a killer premise, something fresh and engaging, something that excites the hell out of you. For GUNN, it was the concept of a punch-drunk Scottish fisherman with almost supernatural powers battling these neo-Viking meth-head psychos on an oil rig. It's ridiculous, but it got me excited as to the possibilities of where I might go with it. Develop complex characters. Now, characters are the lifeblood of your screenplay, so make them flawed, make them relatable, unique. Your audience should feel something for them. They must connect with them. So give your character a strong ghost and a deep inner need that we can all relate to. See, with Gunn, it was the need for family connection and to forgive himself for all his past failures. And we can all deeply empathize with those things, and this emotional connection will set your script apart. Tighten your structure. Competitions award well-structured screenplays. Follow classic story structure, but don't be afraid to innovate within those frameworks. Now, I made sure that every twist and turn in Gunn had purpose and added depth to the character's journey. If you want to learn more about the structure I use to write Gunn, then make sure you download my free guide. And there's in there I break down the exact structure I use. The link's in the description below. Polish and refine. Don't just write it and send it off, revise it, get feedback, and then revise some more. I went through multiple drafts of Gunn, tightening dialogue, sharpening every plot twist, mining every beat for maximum emotional impact. The truth is, competition can be intimidating, but it can also be exhilarating. It's what drives us to be better. Your only competition is you might sound nice, but it isn't really true. You are in competition in this industry with others, whether you like it or not. If you view other writers as competitors, it can ignite a fire under you to create something truly exceptional. They're not only competitors, I find other writers' work to be incredibly inspiring too. Even if they don't admit it, the other writers, the other filmmakers, the other actors in this industry, they're all viewing you the same way, as competition. And the ones who aren't, we don't worry about them because they're not even competition. I was a semi-professional athlete from about 16 to 22, and before that I was a competitive swimmer from like 8 years old. So the pursuit of winning is ingrained in me. But the experience of losing is too. Now, athletes don't shy away from competition. It's innate, it's their lifeblood, and they thrive on it. And as a writer or creative, you should harness that same competitive spirit that athletes have. So set goals, enter competitions, challenge yourself to grow, to learn, to push your limits. You've got to train every day in your craft to become better than your competition. And even more than that, to become better than you were yesterday. Here's a reality check. You will lose. In other words, you will face rejection, because not every screenplay you write will win awards or get produced. Not every film you make will be a smash hit. Most won't. But don't let that stop you. Use those rejections as fuel to improve. When I didn't win other screenplay competitions, I didn't sulk. I was a bit pissed off, yeah. I was a semi-finalist in another great screenplay competition called Blue Cap, with a TV pilot that I'd written. But semi-finals aren't really good enough for me, so I took notes, I analysed why maybe the script didn't hit it big. And if you're honest with yourself and with your own work, you'll know why. And then you can evolve your writing, you can improve your process and move forward. Rejection's just part of the game. Remember, every no can bring you a step closer to that big yes if you learn from it. If. Let's wrap this up to say that winning a screenplay competition isn't just about the cool laurels. Forget the cool laurels for now. Focus on the journey, the desire to improve, and the relentless pursuit of storytelling excellence. It's about taking that competitive spirit and using it to elevate your storytelling craft. Because at the end of the day, as I always say, the story is sacred and we writers are simply a vessel for it. So honor the story with dedication. How best can I tell the story to move and entertain my audience? Believe in your story. Push yourself to the limits. Push yourself to your story's limits. Don't be afraid to compete, because at the end of the day, the world needs your unique voice. And the best way to share it is to fight for it. If you found this helpful, then please hit the subscribe button for more insights on mastering your storytelling craft, and drop a comment about your experiences with screenplay competitions. And whatever you do, don't forget to grab my free guide, Real Independence, which contains the very structured template I used to write Gunn and my first feature, Dirty Boy. The link is in the description below. So let's get your stories out into the world, shall we? Until next time, keep writing, keep competing.